Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is vegetable lasagna. Just beautiful bunch of overload vegetables here and beautiful lasagna right on your way. So let's check out the ingredients for vegetable lasagna. Alright, so let's check out the ingredients for vegetable lasagna. I have store-bought no boil lasagna sheets. We do not have to boil these, but if you do not have these, you can simply boil just like pasta. Right, so we need little cheese. I've taken 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 to 4 slices of provolone cheese. Especially these are the ones which are my favorite, but you can take whichever cheese you like. I have 2 tablespoons of room temperature cream cheese and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. We need couple tablespoons of olive oil, 1 cup of warm milk. I have taken, this is about 2 cups of store-bought pasta sauce. You can simply make it home, but I have taken roasted garlic and herbs pasta sauce. These are some dry spices and flavoring. I have taken about 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 tablespoon of salt. You can take Italian seasonings if you want. So here are a bunch of vegetables. I have taken red, orange and green bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of roasted chili peppers. These are just for flavoring. I had the tin in my kitchen, so I just used that. It's purely optional. I have some chopped basil and chopped coriander. Again, these are for flavoring. Option is yours. Whichever vegetables you want, you can take it. I've taken mushrooms, broccoli and white onion. So let's start with the recipe. Get a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. We are basically getting all the vegetables sauteed in the butter. Added onion, after 1 minute or so, add broccoli. You can add zucchini, carrot if you want. This is the best way kids can eat all the vegetables, no matter what they like or not. Roasted chili peppers and all the bell peppers. We are not going to cook them because once we bake them, it's going to get cooked even further. So just sauteing the vegetables so that they get blended together with the flavoring that we are going to add a little later. I'll go ahead and add mushrooms. Beautiful vibrant colors. Alright, all our flavorings goes in now. Salt, pepper, red chili flakes and oregano powder. Give that a good toss. Going to add some of the basil. And that's it. I'm going to turn off the heat and let's move on to the next step. In the same pan, Let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use butter as well. I'm trying to consume less butter. So let's add oil. Once the oil is hot, add cream cheese and milk. Give that a good stir. Let the cream cheese melt in these leftover spices. I'm also going to add most of my mozzarella cheese, just making a thick sauce to layer it up in on the lasagna. So I'm just gonna keep some for garnishing later. So give that a good mix. Let this blend together. Add some more basil, some black pepper and salt for taste, and let it melt and let it get blended together just beautifully. To keep stirring. If you want, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour just to get the thickness, but I'm not going to use that today. Pinch of salt and some flavoring. I just added the black pepper powder or crushed black pepper. Alright, so it's almost done. I see the cheese is melting well enough. Just keep stirring. Alright, as you can see, my sauce is thickening up and you see that it's blended together. The basil in it is just giving us beautiful flavor. So this sauce has like basil and black pepper powder and salt, that along with all the cheese and milk, just beautiful. Alright, so while my oven is preheating to 350°F, let's get our lasagna tray ready. So I have this glass tray. I cut one sheet in half. Now let's add white sauce that we just made. It's really hot. If you want, you can use spinach as an alternative to basil, or you can just simply add spinach along with basil, whichever is your preference. Again, layer some vegetables. There's no specific order, but I do it this way. So basically finish them off. Just get them all together, nice and colorful. Can add some more pasta sauce. More tomato white sauce. Just going to finish this off. Add more layers, just like so. This in half. And finish this off. Layer some provolone cheese, and as I said, I like provolone cheese, but if you want to use different cheese, that's okay, up to you. Let's keep it in the middle. I'll just use 3 of them. And our leftover cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Perfect. And some coriander and basil for that additional flavor. Wow, look at this, how pretty this looks. Alright, this is almost ready to go in the oven. I'm waiting for the oven to preheat, and let me cover this with a foil paper. This size, just 1 foil paper is enough. That's it. All good. So now I will just wait for another 10 minutes to get the oven preheated. Look at this, how gorgeous this already looks. It's ready to be baked in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Look at these layerings here. Beautiful, isn't it? Lovely vegetable lasagna. Alright, so my oven is preheated to 350 Fahrenheit, and I have set the timer to 20 minutes. Here you go. Let's see after 20 minutes. Alright, so 20 minutes are done. Let's see how it looks. Oh wow, look at this beautiful, gorgeous masterpiece here. Right? So I'm going to remove the foil and bake it for about 15 more minutes. Alright, so baking for another 15 minutes on 350. And after 15 minutes, look at this gorgeous, beautiful, flavorful lasagna. I like the brownish color that is like all crispy out of the cheese, and the coriander and basil flavor is just, this house is smelling very aromatic today. And look at this beautiful, healthy vegetable lasagna. Perfectly creamed, perfectly brown, and bunch of vegetables. Just nutrition overload here. So I'm going to enjoy this while it's hot. So I hope you like this recipe. Please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.